Good day, everyone. I am Eliza D. Furuk and I'm going to present our BMC and CJN. For today's video, I'm going to present our business model canvas first. And so let's start. So this is our business model canvas first. Who is our key partners? Local supplier and packaging supplier. Local supplier, sila yung pinagkukuhanan namin ng fresh ingredients tulad ng cabbage, tuna, and egg. It's better na mas trusted yung supplier para always quality yung product. Next, packaging supplier. Dito naman, sila yung pinagkukuhanan namin ng containers, paper bags, at labels to make it sure na mas maayos ang packaging ng meal. Para mas maganda yung lalagyanan ng aming binebenta, ma'am. Next, our key activities. Under key activities, there are 4. Meal preparation, marketing through social media, managing orders, and customer engagement. Meal preparation, of course, preparing or preparation and pagluluto ng meal to make sure fresh and malinis before ibenta yung product, ma'am. And next, marketing through social media. One of the useful strategy po, ma'am, is social media nowadays, ma'am, because mas napapabilis yung marketing using social media, ma'am. And next, managing orders. Papasok dito yung management. Why? Kasi, ma'am, receiving orders, checking and inventory, arrange delivery to avoid delay orders, ma'am. Next, customer engagement. Under customer engagement, ma'am, pagkikipag-usap sa customer, ma'am, pagsagot sa mga tanong nila, ma'am, ganun, and pagbigay ng mga updates about sa promos and new freebies, ganun, ma'am. Next, key resources, ma'am, there are 4. Fresh ingredients, cooking equipments, online platform, and delivery logistics. Under fresh ingredients, ma'am, dito, ma'am, hindi kami pwedeng gumamit ng low quality ingredient because it can be affect our business, ma'am. Siyempre, ma'am, one of our din po, ma'am, is yung mga sasabihin ng ibang customers namin na ganito, hindi fresh yung mga tinda nila, ganun, ma'am. Kaya ma'am, mas maganda na fresh palagi yung ibebenta namin, ma'am. Next, cooking equipment. Siyempre, ma'am, need sa pagluto namin, ma'am, tulad ng pan, gas, raw materials, and ma'am, iba pa, para hindi masayang yung oras, ma'am. Next, online platform. Social media account, ma'am, is one of our way para makapagtinda rin, ma'am. And online tindahan, ma'am, kumbaga that customers can see the product even if it's not actual, ma'am. So what you see is what you get naman po, ma'am. Next, delivery logistics, ma'am. Under this delivery logistics, ma'am, walang silbi yung ma'am, yung masarap na food if late na ibibigay yung ma'am, yung meal. Like syempre, ma'am, yung feedback nila, ma'am, is sabihin mong masarap yung pagkain pero, ma'am, late na po. Kaya nga po, ma'am, yung parang hindi ka na masasagabal sa oras para maghintay po, ma'am, kung mga mabilis ang oras ba, ma'am, ganun. Next is our value proposition. There are 4. The affordable, protein-rich meal option, fresh and natural ingredients, customizable meals. Under affordable, ma'am, no need to gumastos ng sobrang mahal para kumain or makakain ng nutritious food. Our meal is budget-friendly but of course healthy. Budget-friendly lang siya, ma'am, because karamihan naman po sa students, ma'am, is wala pong pera, ma'am, ganun po. Kaya budget meal lang po talaga siya, ma'am. Next, protein-rich meal options. Marami sa customers ang health conscious. Our product are perfect for them. Siyempre, ma'am, protein-rich meal, kaya Pwede po, nire-recommend din po namin ito sa mga cream students, especially sa kanila po kasi to, ano ma'am, parang pag sinasabay po nila sa exercise nila ma'am, ganun po. And next, fresh and natural products. Mas okay ang fresh and natural, mas okay ang natural and fresh ingredients ma'am, kaysa sa, ano ma'am, sa processed food ma'am, na puno ng preservatives. Dito kasi ma'am is, fresh namin siyang, bibilin, then, iluluto po agad, then, ready to eat na po siya ma'am. Hindi po siya, hindi po siya yung parang, na preserve po ma'am, ganun po. And then, customizable meals. Of course, not everyone is, the same, may pare-parehong panlasa ma'am, and dapat may option ang customers to adjust yung meal nila. Example ma'am, yung cabbage ma'am is konti lang yung ayaw nilang cabbage, then more on tuna. Pwede po sila magdagdag ng money ng bayad po ma'am to para mag-add po kami ng tuna and less cabbage po, ganun po. Then pwede din naman pong konting tuna and more on cabbage, ganun po. Basta mapapag-usapan naman po yan ma'am. And next is our customer relationship. There are customer feedback, active engagement on social media, and offering freebies. Under this ma'am, customer feedback, hindi po kami perfect ma'am na palaging masarap yung luto ma'am or ganun. Kaya kailangan din namin ng feedback ng customer ma'am to improve our product ma'am. Next is active engagement on social media. Ma'am, not every time ma'am is puro for sale yung post namin. It's better if may polls or Q&A, behind the scene, or real customer testimonial para mas engaging ma'am. Like kasi ma'am, pagka like sa ano lang kami ma'am, sa school lang ma'am is baka hindi po yung iba hindi po nila alam na may tinda po kami because wala po silang alam. Ganun po, kaya mas okay po na ano po namin sa social media ma'am. Next, offering freebies. Sometimes aminin natin na bumabalik tayo para bumili ulit ma'am for the other freebies. Siyempre ma'am, sa maliit lang na freebies ma'am is nagugustuhan po ito ng customer. And sometimes sa maliliit na freebies na ito ma'am is bumabalik-balik po yung mga customer namin. And next, channel, social media, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and etc. Social media ma'am, one of the fastest way to promote ngayon ma'am is social media because libre, mabilis, and mas malawak ang mas malawak ang sakop nito ma'am. Kasi ma'am, social media nga po eh. Next, dito ma'am sa TikTok ma'am, sa TikTok po ma'am is madaming business na sumisikat cause viral ma'am. Viral siya, dapat parang pagka pinost mo to sa TikTok ma'am, pagka parang na caught in the eye ng mga nanonood sa TikTok ma'am, parang mas ano na sila na ano to, ganito, ganyan, ganun ma'am. Next, customer segments, busy students, gym goers, working professionals. Sa busy students ma'am, walang oras magluto kaya perfect ang ready to eat meals. Sa amin ma'am, kunwari ma'am is ano na sila ma'am is busy students, and then gusto na nila ng ready to go na meal ma'am, kaya pwede po silang mag-order online po. And delivery agad po ma'am. And next, gym goer, need nila ang high protein, low carb, and low carbohydrates, and para maano yung fitness nila ma'am, ganun ma'am. Working professionals, like for example ma'am, ito yung ano ma'am, like gusto nila yung healthy meal na hindi hassle i-prepare ma'am, so they can order online po ma'am, ganun po. Under cost structure naman po ma'am, raw materials, packaging, delivery, and labor costs. Dito ma'am is dapat mag-budget plan para hindi maubos ang kita sa ingredients lamang ma'am. And next, revenue stream, direct sales. Ito yung ano ma'am, like nakita nila from individual ma'am, like kami binentahan pa namin sila, ganun po ma'am. Then bulk orders, ito yung bultuhan ma'am, like 100 pieces, ganun po ma'am. Example ma'am, bumili po sa amin yung pagka may event po sa school, like mga gym goers po sila, mga nag-gym po, and then nag-order po sila ng 100 pieces po, and 45 pesos lang po siya ma'am, and pwede pong ma-discountan po namin sila ng kahit konti lang po ma'am. Then, reseller models. Alam naman na po natin ang reseller models. Dito sa reseller models, pwedeng maghanap ng reseller para sila mismo ang magbenta sa market nila. Like, ako ma'am is benta ko sa kanila ng 45 din. Pwede po nilang patungan like 50, ganun po. Pumatong lang po sila ng 5 pesos ma'am. And then, yun lamang po sa aming business model canvas. And I am Alyssa Di Furuk. And thank you.